Welcome to Geometric Galaxy.
Welcome students. Today we are going to see chapter 1 number system, laws of exponents for real numbers. Let us first recall laws of exponents which you have studied in your earlier classes. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here if you see, the base is same but the power is different and the operation is multiplication. So in this case, we have to write the base and add the powers. Second law is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So here the base is same, the powers are different, the operation is division. Therefore, we need to put the same base and we have to subtract the powers. The third law is a power m to the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Now power of power means we have to multiply the powers. So we get a to the power m into n. The fourth law is a power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m. Here the bases are different but the powers are same. In this case, we have to multiply the base but we have to give the same power. Let us apply this in our problem solving. First we will see what is our example 20 followed by the exercise 1.5 problems. Now let us see example 20. Here we have 4 subdivisions to simplify. Let us see all the 4 subdivisions one by one. Our first subdivision is 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. Here the operation is multiplication and the bases are same but the powers are different. Now we have to use the first law, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So using the law, I can write this question as 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we have to add the powers. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 3 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is nothing but 2. The second subdivision is 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole power 4. This question reminds us about the law a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So we can write 3 to the power 1 by 5 the whole power 4 as 3 to the power 1 by 5 into 4. So 1 by 5 into 4 is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, we can write the answer as 3 to the power 4 by 5. The third subdivision is 7 power 1 by 5 divided by 7 power 1 by 3. Here the bases are same. The operation is division, so we need to subtract the powers. Therefore, the answer for this question is 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Now, 1 by 5 and 1 by 3 are unlike fractions. Therefore, we need to find LCM for 5 and 3. The LCM for 5 and 3 is 15. So, in the numerator, I get 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. The final answer is 7 to the power minus 2 by 15. Fourth subdivision is 13 to the power 1 by 5 into 17 to the power 1 by 5. Here the bases are different but the powers are same. Therefore, we need to multiply the base and put the same power. This is according to the law a power m into b power m is equal to ab power m. So what is 13 into 17 students? It is 221. The power is same 1 by 5. Therefore the answer is 221 whole to the power 1 by 5. Now let us see our exercise 1.5 problems which is very easy. We will solve one by one. Our first question is to find the values of the given exponents. We need to solve one by one. There are 3 subdivisions. I'll take the first subdivision 64 to the power 1 by 2. I hope you all know that 64 is a square number. 8 into 8 is 64. Therefore, I can write 64 as 8 square. So, 64 power 1 by 2 can be written as 8 square to the power 1 by 2. Now, 8 square to the power 1 by 2 is power of power. So, we can multiply the powers. Now, I can write it as to the power 2 into 1 by 2. Now 2 into 1 by 2 means 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the power of 8 becomes 1. So 8 to the power 1 is equal to 8. Now take second subdivision 32 to the power 1 by 5. Now if we do prime factorization for 32, you will get the answer as 2 to the power 5. So I will replace 32 by 2 power 5. Therefore I can write 2 to the power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Here we can see it is in the form of a power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. So 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Now 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So the answer is 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is nothing but 2. Third subdivision is 125 to the power 1 by 3. 125 if I do prime factorization, I will get 5 power 3. So I can write the question as 5 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. Now it is power of power. So I can write this as 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Now 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 5 power 1 which is equal to 5. Now let us see the second question of exercise 1.5. Here also we need to find the value of given exponents. It is similar to our first question. Let us see one by one. 9 to the power 3 by 2. We can write 9 as 3 square. Therefore 9 3 by 2 can be written as 3 square whole to the power 3 by 2. Again it becomes power of power. So in the next step 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We are left out with the power 3. Therefore it becomes 3 to the power 3 which is equal to 27. Now our second subdivision is 32 to the power 2 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. So 32 to the power 2 by 5 can be written as 2 to the power 5 the whole power 2 by 5, which is power of power. Therefore we need to multiply the powers. So the next step is 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled and we are left out with the power 2. So the answer is 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. The answer is 4. Coming to the third subdivision, 16 to the power 3 by 4. We can write 16 as 4 square. But if you see the question, we have 16 to the power 3 by 4. We have 4 in the denominator of the power. So we need to write 16 as power of 4. If I do prime factorization for 16, we will get it as 2 to the power 4. So I can write 16 to the power 3 by 4 as 2 to the power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Now it is power of power. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the powers. So I can write it as 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. The answer is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 which is equal to 8. The last subdivision is 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Students, now it is your duty to think how to write 125 in terms of power 3. So you do immediately the prime factorization and find the answer. So 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So 5 cube to the power minus 1 by 3. So it is power of power. So we need to multiply the power. 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. The answer is 5 to the power minus 1. So I can write it as 1 by 5. Now the third question of our exercise is to simplify. Here we have 4 subdivisions to solve. Let us see one by one. The first subdivision is 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Here the bases are same but the powers are different. The operation is multiplication. So we have to remember the formula 2 to the power m into 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power m plus n. Here in this question we can write it as 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 are unlike fractions, therefore we need to find the LCM for this. So for 3 and 5 the LCM is 15. Then you have to cross multiply and find the answer. So it becomes 2 to the power 5 plus 3 divided by 15. So the final answer is 2 to the power 8 divided by 15. Now the second subdivision is 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 7. Now it is power of power. We need to multiply the powers. Therefore 3 to the power 1 by 5 into 7. So the answer is 3 to the power 7 by 5. Third subdivision is 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. Now here the operation is division. The bases are same but the powers are different. So here what we will do? We will write the base and subtract the powers. So 11 to the power half minus 1 by 4. You have to logically think, students. Without even taking the LCM we can find the answer because half minus quarter is quarter. Otherwise you take the LCM for 2 and 4, the LCM is 4. Then if you cross multiply you will get 2 minus 1. Your final answer is 11 to the power 1 by 4. Fifth subdivision is 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Here the bases are different but the power is same. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the base and put the same power. Therefore 7 into 8 whole power 1 by 2. 7 8s are 56. 56 to the power 1 by 2. With this I will complete this video, students. So the number system is completed. In the next video we will see about chapter 2 polynomials. If you find Geometrix Galaxy helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. And please don't hesitate to recommend this channel to your friends. Thanks for watching.